It is so easy to get lost here in these little alleyways of Stonetown, but you know what? I'm not worried. I've got 3 days here to do nothing else. Typical alleys here. Darajani Market in Stonetown. This is a real African market. Very cool. All sorts of spices, fruits. Very cool. There's the meat section. The reason why these markets are popular is because apparently most residents don't have fridges, so they come to market pretty well every day to buy their food. Lots of vegetables. Here's the fish market. Check this out, tuna. Nice. Fish. That. It stinks here. This must be an auction or something. Fruits. This is real Africa, man. I tell you, if this stuff freaks you out, if you want to stay in a 5-star resort where everything is nicely catered to you, everything's in English, then you shouldn't come here. This is for those who want authentic experiences. If you want McDonald's or Burger King, stay home. That's just my opinion. Look at all that fresh produce. This is how locals grocery shop here in Zanzibar. You know, they don't go to some big air-conditioned grocery store. They shop fresh.
Première offensive placée là pour Sunderland.
So I made it to Luckman Restaurant, which is one of the most talked about local Swahili restaurants in Zanzibar. Show you what I'm having for breakfast brunch. Some type of coconut bread, I got a beef samosa, and some red beans. These red beans are better than any beans I've had at home. And I've got a pineapple passion fruit drink. Really good, freshly made. Yeah. Yay, very nice, very nice. This one likes me. Lots of stray cats here. They don't look too skinny, so it looks like they are able to get enough scraps here. This one likes me. Very nice. Can you see your face? There you go. Right outside my Airbnb. Okay, I gotta go now.